We are in a season where faceless YouTube channels are the new norm and people are making real money without ever showing their faces. And if you ever wondered how they come up with these viral monetizable faceless animation videos, this is the right video for you. In this video, I am going to show you how channels such as this one, earning approximately $7.5K per month, bring their videos to life. And in case you don't understand what we are talking about, here is an example for you.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled between the lush green hills and a flowing river, there lived a wise old man named Kofi. Kofi was revered by everyone for his wisdom, kindness, and fairness.
For this type of videos, we can choose from Bible stories, African folktales, inspirational motivational stories, or even educational videos like this one. So let's dive directly into it. For this video, we are going to create an African folktale story. The first thing that we need is an idea for our story. If you have an idea in mind, well and good, but if you don't have, we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate one for us. So we are going to enter our prompt and have ChatGPT generate some of the best interesting stories for our faceless channel. So I really like story number 9, and so we continue to ask ChatGPT for our whole story. So we are going again to prompt ChatGPT to create a story based on number 9. Ensure that you are really describing the type of story that you want ChatGPT to give you, because ChatGPT really likes details for it to provide you with what you would want to have. So make sure you describe exactly how you want the story to sound. And so here we have our story that we can narrate for about 20 minutes. So now we are going to ask ChatGPT for scenes that we are going to use to illustrate the story as we narrate it. And here we already have the prompts generated. So the next thing is ask ChatGPT for image suggestions for every prompt to help illustrate the story. And as you can see, we have approximately 3 images for each scene that we are going to be illustrating while narrating our story. Now we have the whole story and the images that we are going to use for every scene as we narrate the story. Now let us generate a voiceover for our story. For this step, you would choose to record your voiceover or use a text-to-speech tool for that. But for the purposes of illustration in this video, we are going to be using 11 Labs AI to generate our voiceover. So we go to where we had our story generated and copy and paste it to 11 Labs. Remember to copy the whole story for the tool to generate the whole voiceover. So for what we have copied and pasted to this tool, we have gotten 1 minute and some seconds of voiceover. You can select the voice you love, and for me I'll be selecting Emily because that is what I really love. You can also select among the other choices that I have. Our voiceover is done and we are going to download it from here as an MP3 file. The next thing is to generate nice images for our animation video. For this purpose, we will be using Leonardo AI. As you can see, we have around 150 free tokens to use. So we go back to where we asked ChatGPT to generate images for each prompt. And as you can see, our first scene will have 3 images as shown here. So the next thing is to generate the images. We copy the description and paste it to Leonardo AI to generate the images. Remember to choose the 16:9 ratio so that you can be able to use it for YouTube videos. As you can see here, we have our first image. So we do the same for our second and third images and so on. So all you do is go to ChatGPT, copy the image description and paste it to Leonardo AI. So one thing that you have noticed is that the images with the villagers are not similar. So what we are going to do is to retain the same base prompt for the first one so we can achieve consistency. So if you tap here, you are going to see reuse prompt and have it here at the prompt box. We are then going to add the description for our third image and see what it gives us. And you can see now that our fourth image has some relation with our last image. So we delete image number 3. So the next thing will be to download the images that we really love from there. We are then going to head directly to Canva, where we are going to create our video. This is how Canva interface looks like in case you've not been here before. Then we are going to search for YouTube video because that's what we want to create, and then tap on create blanks to start on a new video. So the next thing will be to upload our images and the voiceover that we made from 11 Labs AI. So we are going to select all of our images, and after they are uploaded, we can then upload our voiceover. So we can now finalize the video. So we listen to the voiceover and choose the images according to what the voiceover says. For there to be a relationship between the images and the voice.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled between the lush green hills and a flowing there lived a wise old man named Kofi. Once upon a time, in a village nestled between the lush green hills and a flowing river,
We are going then to need some motion in the images for it to flow like a normal video. We are going to choose animate from here to add some motion to these images. So we have a lot of choices to choose from, but I really like simple, this one here. Then choose on both enter and exit for the motion to be applied both as the image enters and as it leaves. So the next thing will be to get some music for our video. Head to Elements on Canva, then search for the theme of the song you want to have for your story. Or if you don't have any idea, you can just search something like maybe story. I'm using Canva Pro, so I'll have access to Pro Music. If you don't have access to Pro Music, you can search for sites like Pixabay that offer copyright-free music. The other option you have is to use the music from YouTube Creator Studio, and for that music you'll be so sure it is copyright free. So now make sure your music is not overpowering your storytelling, so keep it at a very low sound. So for this video I have put it at only 2. You would want to watch the whole video just to ensure that the music will not overpower the storytelling at a later stage within the video. So our video is now ready to watch. So something that you may want to add before downloading your video is the transition between the different scenes for a free flow of the video images, just to make it more smoother. And also remember to edit the title of the video so that you can easily trace it in your device after you have downloaded it. And so that is all about how you can create such videos and make some money. So let us watch the end result that we have to ensure that it is something really good.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled between the lush green hills and a flowing river, there lived a wise old man named Kofi. Kofi was revered by everyone for his wisdom, kindness, and fairness. As he aged, the villagers began to worry about.
So thank you for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye and see you.